Hello, and welcome back to Java Lessons with Evan. Um, I'm your host, Evan Gonchor. We're trying out something a little different this time. We'll see how it works. 'Cause as you can see, we're using a official Java development environment. I found that JGrasp was the easiest um, thing for me to use to get up and running, so that's what we're going to be using. I just named my class test, and again, you can see this all on the YouTube channel, Evan Gonchor. But we have our classic public class, public static void main setup. And then inside here, we're going to be demonstrating how the scanner can read in things other than text. So let's say we're going to the grocery store. We're going to have an integer for the quantity of the item that we want to buy. And then we're going to have two doubles as a result. The so like if we're buying bananas, it would be the cost per pound. So we'll say unit C for short for cost, and then we'll have total C, again short for cost. You can just separate doubles or integers by a comma, and then just don't forget to end the line with a semicolon. Again, you can see the official formatting over at the Evan Gonchor YouTube channel, and you want to put a space between things just as a good practice. And then we're going to have it print to the screen. System.out.print. We'll say enter number of bananas, or you can do whatever item you want from the supermarket. And then put a space for visual effects, and then we're going to go to the next line in the code and say that quantity is equal to scan. Oh wait, we need to declare our scanner. Sorry. So we're gonna declare our scanner. So scanner, and we'll call it Scanny again, equals scanner. And when I type scanner, it's with a capital S. Open parenthesis. So scanner space scanny equals scanner, open parenthesis, system dot in. Then we're going to end that line with a semicolon. So our quantity, getting back to that line, is going to be equal to scanny dot next int, which you can look up online. There's different scanner methods. This one reads in the next, or the quantity that you enter before you press enter as an integer. And then just to save a little time, I'm going to copy paste, or I guess I'll just type it, system dot out, and you don't need to do the println here because it'll automatically go to the next line, dot print. Here we want to enter the unit cost of bananas. So like, I guess it's a little unrealistic. Like I'm gonna charge per banana here. But just bear with me, and we need to end quotation with the double quotes, close parenthesis, semicolon, and then we're going to have our unit C, or unit cost, is going to be equal to, so you put the equal sign, scan, and then most costs have a decimal point on them, so it's going to be scan.next, and that's called a double, so scan.next double, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, and then we're going to end it with the semicolon, and then our total cost, or total C, so I went down to a new line, sorry about the typo, total C is equal to, who invented the keyboard? Anyway, it's like saying who invented autocorrect, right? And our total cost is going to be the unit cost. So cost of one banana times the quantity for the total number of bananas. Okay. And that with a semicolon. So that's total C equals sign unit C asterisk for multiply quantity. End it with a semicolon. And then we will system dot out dot print our final result. So we'll say you pay colon space, close the quotations, put an addition sign to concatenate, and then we'll print out total C, or total cost. So this is our first real Java program that we're running here, but I kind of was looking at the lessons that I have planned and thought this would be best and a good time to switch over. I do kind of want to, oh, that was dumb. Sorry. And you are going to have to run into, I was just watching a lecture on Ruby today, and the guy was saying, like, you are going to have to learn how to troubleshoot. So it's not a bad thing when we run into stuff like that. So we're going to build and compile again. What did I do wrong here? I might need to put a space there. In between here and here? Is that the issue? Or am I just not recognize? Cannot find symbol. Well, anyway, it was worth a try, and I think it's good at least that we have it set up. Can't find the scanner class for some reason. I imported it up top. Import java.util.scanner. And you do that before the class declaration. Let me just try typing new here. I'm wondering if you need to say it's a new scanner. Let's see. It's worth a try. Oh, it looks like that was it. So, how do we run? Okay, so we're gonna enter, we want 5 bananas, and we are shopping at an organic food store, so it's $10 per banana. Or maybe we're shopping at a discount food store and it's 10 cents per banana. So you're gonna pay 50, and I guess you could specify, like, yeah, but anyway, you would pay $50 or 50 cents depending on where you're shopping. But yeah, thank you very much for joining in. Definitely leave your feedback. Hope you liked the new setup and the new Java environment here, and hopefully it's helpful. And thank you very much for joining, and hopefully see you again soon.